Hi guys, and we're back again with another video, and for today's content, we're gonna talk about how did I set up my bank account here in Vancouver. For those of you who don't know, I recently arrived here in Vancouver, and one of the things that I need to do is set up my bank account. If you need more information about how I traveled from Manila to Vancouver, my quarantine experiences, and other stuff, you can go back and watch my different videos I already uploaded. I'm going to share with you the different bank accounts I opened, the requirements they asked from me, and also the details on each account that I opened. Just to set your expectations, we're not going to compare the different banks here, but personally speaking, I do have different accounts in two different banks. For today's video, I'm going to talk about the two different accounts that I opened up when I arrived here in Vancouver. The first one is the unlimited checking account. The second is a savings account. The first thing that you need to do is to set up a meeting with a banking officer of the bank of your choice. So there you will get to know the different accounts that you are eligible to apply for and how that applies to your current situation. The banking officer was able to lay out the different accounts that they have and what are the purposes of each account. I have mentioned that I have two different banks here in Vancouver. The first one is where I opened my GIC account. For those of you who don't know, GIC account is available for those international students who will be coming here in Vancouver. The second one is just a regular account that I want to open for different options purposes. The requirements that they asked from me were my passport, my LOA or my letter of acceptance, the welcome letter that they issued to you when you opened your GIC, and also my student permit. So bring those four with you to the bank and give it to the banking officer. When I open an account in another bank, they just requested for my passport and my permit. It could be your work permit or a student permit. So first is the unlimited checking account. It's a card where you can purchase online or store purchases. It works like a debit card back in the Philippines where you can use it online purchases and in-store purchases. So here it is recommended that you use a checking account to purchase online or in stores. This account is recommended for daily use. You can also set up an auto debit online payment through your checking account. Say you need to pay your monthly data fees, so you can do so through online. If you also want to use your checking accounts to pay foreign currency, you can do so, but then again, take note that they will convert it back to Canadian dollars and there will be additional charges for processing fees. If you also want to transfer money from Canada back to your home country, you can do so by international wire transfer. But take note, the interest rate might be so high, so you might want to check different options on doing so. This type of account do have monthly fees. So basically, to waive that, you just have to have minimum balance in your account. But the good thing is, since I'm a student, they will waive my monthly fees until I finish my program. The second type of account is a savings account. Since it's a savings account, which is normally, you shouldn't be withdrawing money every now and then, because again, you should be saving. In this type of account, you will be charged for every transaction or every withdrawal that you will do in your savings account. But say for example, you have a savings account and a checking account in one bank. There will be no transaction fees when you transfer from savings to your checking account. In this type of account, there is no minimum balance required and no monthly transaction fees. If you want to put money in your bank account, you can freely visit any ATM or even the branches itself. It's so fast, I was shocked that it was processed in like 10 seconds. Even if you open different accounts, amazingly you will only get one card. And if you access your online banking, you will see there the different accounts that you have only with one card. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to share with you the different fees because of course those are subject to change. But if you need those information, of course they have their own websites where you can always check from time to time. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing more videos like this in the future. See you!